How to list your car on booking.com. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL, type in business.booking.com, then press enter on your keyboard. That will directly take you to the official web page of booking.com. Now to list your car, head over to the top right corner and in front of sign in button you will have a register button. Click on that. That will take you to next page. Here to register your account, you have to use your email address. So simply type in your email address, or you have this Facebook, Google account, or your Apple ID as an option as well. So if you don't want to continue with your Gmail account, you can use your Facebook account or your Google account or your Apple account. If not, continue with email and click on this button right here. After that, you have to create a password. Use a minimum of 10 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and number. After that, confirm your password. So first of all, type in your password. Once you're done, click on Create Account. Now, once you create your password, you have to fill in your details. So first of all, it says which company would you like to register. Simply type in your company name and then you have to choose a country, and if you come under there, your email address has already been added, and under that it says enter all the names as they appear in your passport or in your photo ID. You have to choose the option from here, and once you're done, type in the name as they appear in your passport or in your photo ID. Fill up your first name, your last name, and then go with this terms and conditions. Check on that and then verify that you are not a robot. And once you're done with filling this form, simply click on submit, and after that you will be able to list your car in booking.com. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.